in this handle, and this handle, and put one foot into here, and the other foot into, and then you sit onto this, and then your feet get in, and when you're all in, you just move the legs to the gas pedal.
Put on the seat belt is a little different than a regular car. So the seat belt comprises of 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So to start with, take the right shoulder, put it over inside the lap belt. Right? Make sure the buckle is facing the right side. This is wrong. It should face this way. Next, I'm going to take the center and put it inside. But before that, I typically like to put my wrist restraint through here, and then putting the center buckle in, then the left shoulder, and finally let's lock it up. So push it in, right, and so it's almost in, and finally click it in place. And you can make sure everything is tight. Can you move around, Sharav? No? So next step is making sure we have wrist restraints on. These are pretty straightforward. Just a little Velcro. So one hand, wrap it around.
Put the Velcro on.
Put the Velcro on. The other hand.
And do the same thing.
Right. And now raise your hands up as high as you can. All right. Next step is putting on the helmet. Now make sure you get a good kid's helmet. Right. So Shara, come in front. Right. Now push it in.
And see if your ear isn't, then it's okay. And if it is, then it stays like you got it lift it up and put it down.
Okay, and then make sure strap this in, sit through, and back again. Make sure it's tight. Has to be tight enough that at most only one finger can go in between the strap and his chin. Next is the neck restraint. So putting this either in the front or in the back. So I usually put it in the back. So make sure it's all the way below the helmet. And this, just make sure, put the Velcro on. Right. And that's how it should look. Make sure the front tires are straight. Then put the steering wheel in, straight. And then finally push the back until that steering wheel goes all the way in. Right? And then to test it out, Sharav, can you pull it as hard as you can? Does it come out? Right, you're all set.